officially got the bug up and going. It has brakes on it now officially. At this point, the only thing I have left to do is go ahead and run the car and see what it runs in the 8th mile. Okay, so the little bug ended up running a 12.2 in the 8th mile. After talking to other people who specialize in Volkswagen Beetles, they said that this was a very respectable time, especially for the engine that's built. Reminder, this is a 1641cc engine with an Engel 100 cam and some Amazon exhaust on it. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with how the bug ran. Heck, it'll even chirp the tires. I was kind of surprised on that. I probably could have turned it up a little higher on RPM. I think I shifted to like 4,000 to 3,500, somewhere along there, but didn't want to get too rough on it. But anyways, we can go a little harder on it another day. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you do like the content, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Have a great day, guys.